purpose is everybody's meaning. Why do we live? We all have a purpose in our life, right? We all want that purpose. For me in the beginning, it was my children, but going back to work was my purpose. And then with CREATIVETS, I think they're fantastic, amazing what they do. I have sponsored a few other veterans in the past. I walked them through the process to help them get into the program and teach them that, one, first, it's okay to share your story. And if you don't want to tell specific situations, you can build up your story through song or through the artwork that you're creating in CREATIVETS. My background and my story, you'll hear the importance of why I wrote the song, why I wrote it. We wrote it because I didn't do it by myself. I just told my story and they helped me put it together. And the very first line of that is, "War was easy because I knew who the bad guy was. Coming home was harder, different for everyone."
Yeah, the war was easy. Knew who the bad guy was, but coming home was harder. Yeah, different for everyone.
So that was a great experience. That was an amazing experience. So I was so thankful to be able to not only share my story without actually telling the story out to everything, expanding the picture, but for the experience of learning how they make music was just phenomenal.